Hey, I have a ginger week. Fresh ginger. I think what I'm going to make you're going to like. Just let me take this out of the oven.
What do we have there?
We have a little pork tenderloin.
Damn.
Like 25 minutes.
That's it?
25 minutes,
With
400,
like a rub or something?
425 degrees, a little olive oil, kosher salt, pepper, and grainy mustard. Like a grainy stone ground Dijon, all right?
Nice.
So that's just gonna sit. Let's get on with this ginger nonsense. So, this you would recognize as a peach. It's gonna be sort of the basis of this.
Ooh.
And I don't need skin. So just let me get the skin off this.
Why are you so mean at the skin?
Well, because you know what? You don't in a like a chopped up thing like this is going to be. The skin's just going to be problematic, and it's just going to be get in the way of eating, and it's going to be nothing that you really need. So skin will come off.
It's a good looking peach.
It's a nice peach. It's a little harder than I want, but what we're going to do to it is going to help it out.
We're gonna cook it?
We're going to cook it, yeah. Gross. Don't need that. All right. So I don't know how well this is going to work. Oh, it'll be okay.
Yeah,
So let's do this.
Oh.
Hear that?
Yes.
Did you hear that?
Yes.
You know what that means?
Sizzling.
It means it's cooking, Max. So let me just give it a little bit of butter. Probably not really 100% necessary.
Can't hurt.
Won't hurt. We want that looking nice. At the same time, back up there, Junior. I would have put whole onion on and done the same thing, but I didn't have any, stupidly. I thought I did, so we'll throw some red onion in here. And let it do its thing. Good? Everybody happy? All right. Now we need some ginger.
Are we making like a salsa?
Oh, sorry, I haven't said. We're actually making a chutney.
Oh, peach chutney.
Peach chutney, but wait till you see what happens with this.
So you're just getting all the skin off the ginger.
Like normal, right? We don't need that. That's not going to help. And now slicing it up. So this is, I don't know, like maybe a 2-inch piece of ginger. I want this just chopped up nice, okay? I have a dog right below me that just ate a piece of ginger. How was that, Boo Boo?
Right there.
Was that good? He doesn't know. Let's give these guys a little look. I'll turn that way.
Nice, look at the color. Smells amazing in here as usual.
Yes. Wow, that's good. Okay, back to the ginger. You want to get this like pretty tiny, right? Like this is fine.
Pretty well diced.
Yeah, nice. Like,
Basically as small as the onions, maybe a little smaller.
oh yeah, okay. Because you don't want a giant bite of ginger.
Yeah, it can be a little overwhelming.
So this is probably a couple good tablespoons of ginger, right? Now let's get a little bowl. Not there. Where am I? Oh, here we go. So the ginger's going to go in here. Good? Mm-hmm. This is junk and it goes down there, right? Let's see what we're doing here. Those are doing great. Okay, we're gonna add a couple other things to this. And here's what it will be. It's gonna be about a tablespoon of brown sugar. Okay? You want a little bit of tang in your chutney. So we'll give it a little bit of rice vinegar. 1, 2 tablespoons. Some salt. Always a good pinch of salt. Let's put the onions in here now.
So you would have done the onions just like the peaches, but then you would have diced them up?
Exactly. But the fact that I had this, you know, I'm fond of saying that I like to keep a diced onion in the fridge in case I need it for eggs. Not in case. I always need it for eggs. That's just the reality of it. Now let's get our peaches.
They soften up?
Yeah, and they smell great.
Yeah, they do. This smells sweet. I guess that's where our sweetness is coming from.
That's where the sweetness for this little chutney is coming from.
Chutneys are usually a little bit sweet.
They are, but they're definitely tangy. So the
Like a mango chutney.
well, right, like the ginger in this is going to help with a little bit of that tang, but also the rice vinegar is going to do like a really great thing for this. So we've used only really like a half a peach for this.
So peach is definitely the dominant thing.
No, I think the ginger. I think the ginger's going to really bring this thing together.
Sorry, not dominant flavor, dominant.
Oh,
the
ingredient.
largest portion, yeah. Just
Yes.
the largest amount.
Yes, now we'll just go like this and try not to spill all over the floor like I just did. Shit. And now I have to get that, or I'm going to have dogs eating peaches, or I'll step in the peaches, which is maybe not the best thing. These guys get sick when they eat anything that's not dog food. Okay. So now here's this. Now we're going to taste it.
Damn, does it smell good.
Okay, sweet, but clearly ginger forward.
What's going on with heat?
You're going to see. So we cut this guy. Look, I want you to see. When I push, see the juice?
Oh, yeah.
So pork, 145 degrees. I pulled it out when it was about 138 or so. It is so good. So I'm just going to cut some thin pieces of this. So I'm just going to cut some thin pieces of this.
Very thin.
Well, I'll show you why.
Are you making a sandwich?
We're making a sandwich. So look, you could make a pork chop and put this ginger chutney on the side of it. You could make a pork stew and add a little bit to the top of it. The point is that it's going to just do really amazing things to it, to whatever pork product you put it on. But we're going to make like a little pork tenderloin grilled cheese with ginger chutney. And this thing's going to be stupid. So let's put our pork slices here. What do we always say? Don't skimp. You have no idea how great this is going to make it. Okay? I'm using Monterey Jack. I just find that it melts really well and doesn't add the kind of flavor that would be competing with this. I probably should have put a little bit on this side just to help it hold everything together. Okay? Now, a little butter. Here. And now the sandwich down. Whoa. Are you ready for what's going to happen here?
Oh my god, yeah.
I don't think you are. I don't think you have any idea of how great this is going to be. Nothing else. You don't need nothing else because the flavor in this is going to be so good. The chutney's got the flavor from the peach, the spicy little peppery bite from the ginger. It's great. A little more butter on this side.
Wow, it looks perfect.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you how good and easy these things are to make. I told you what I did. 425, olive oil, kosher salt, pepper, grainy mustard. You could put anything you want on it. You could put rosemary on it. You could put cumin on it. You could put jerk seasoning. I've done that before. It's great. 25 minutes in the oven, and it comes out like this. A little bit pink in the middle, and now it's perfect for all kinds of things. And whether you want to use it like this, you want to cut thick slices and put it on a plate, it's simple. Please don't tell me you don't have, Please don't tell me you don't have time for dinner when I'm going from 0 to this in a half an hour. And by the way, if I'd made the chutney the day before, and even the little pork tenderloin the day before, now I've really got no time on my hands, right? Look at that. Look at that, Max. All right, so now the ultimate bite.
Oh, I can't wait.
It's ridiculous. The ginger is there, the peaches are there, and the pork is like a delivery system for both of those. I can't. I have to stop. All right. We have one more day left in Ginger Week. And just saying, I think you're going to like it. If it's anything like that, you're going to love the shit out of it. Oh my God. All right. See you, go away. Thanks for being here. Tell your friends, don't eat shitty food. Make something different at least once or twice a week. There's not a lot to ask. See ya.